can expect this video to be a little bit of a talking video. I'm not going to do much because I didn't say a word on the camera today. I was busy doing something else and working. So, this is going to be kind of a reality check. I got a call yesterday from this guy, an ex-institutional trader and a coach, and he mentioned something that I need to share with you guys. And I want to preface this by saying this is going to be as much of a reality check for me as it is for you. The S&P 500 year to date, meaning from the beginning of the year to today, has gained 9.27%. That means that if you were to buy the S&P at the beginning of the year and keep it all the way to today, you would make 9.27%. That's it. In other words, if you haven't made 9.27% as of today, you're doing something wrong. Or the system doesn't work that well, and you might have to evaluate what you're doing on a daily basis. The other thing that's really important to mention is that there is what we call an opportunity cost, and this is what I talked about yesterday with the guy I talked about. How many hours do you spend at your desk trying to trade, trying to do something with your money, and is it really worth the time? Because you might spend multiple hours trading every single week, but is that really worth it? And that is really important even for me. As someone trading on a daily basis, is it really worth the time to look at the chart every single day? As opposed to that 9.27% that would be kind of automatic. It's just a reality check, and I know the time I invest and everything, and I make more return than all of that. But here's the point. Is it really worth the time? And that is what we call opportunity cost. It is a big concept, it is worth a lot, and you have to spend some time to evaluate this. If you spend 10 hours a day day trading, trying to make money, and you end up with a loss at the end of like these 8 months at the beginning of the year, is it really worth the time? Because you could have bought the S&P at the beginning of the year and made 9.27%, like that's it, that's done. The result might vary, but the way I mean a reality check is that you need to spend some time evaluating what you're doing so far. If you didn't make that like amount of percent, which is just a plain putting money somewhere and leaving it there, doing nothing during the day, you have to spend some time evaluating your method. Let me know what you think below. I would love to hear your thoughts as always. If you got some insight with this, I'm ready to help you out. Do everything we can together to help you move forward. And I'll finish it here. I'll see you guys tomorrow for the next video. Ciao.